Visor and Total Parts Pro to the 2009 Holden Colorado, stock number 7379, strength from the 5th 2008 to the 12th 2011. Has a 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster.